breaking this gang? D4G here.
I am back. What it do, baby?
Hey, y'all know what it is, man. It is First Impression Friday. And today I got two new fragrances for y'all that we going to tap into. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. These two have been out for a while. One of them I got Jeremy, he put me on to this one. He told me this was gonna be a banger for me. And another one I just wanted to go ahead and get because it's part of the collection. So let's go ahead and dive into it. The two fragrances we're gonna be tapping into today is gonna be Riad Silver. I'm excited about this one. Yeah, I think this is gonna be nice. But then the second fragrance is gonna be Riad Lux. And again, both of these are coming from the house of Lattafa. Let's dive into Silver first. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all where the presentation on these is stupid. But this is less than $20, brother. Immaculate presentation. You do not throw these away. Bottle pops open like so. We just gonna set this to the side, you know? And then our fragrance just sitting in there just like this. Come on, man. Come on, bam. I know the bottle is simple, but it is nice. Y'all know what we gotta do. Let's go ahead and get some of them up. Yeah. Get some of those out and let's see. I like this one. I like this. I ain't Riad Silver. I'm liking this. Hey, I ain't going. This one, I'm gonna do both of these on the wrist, bro. We're going straight to the skin. Let's just dive into it. There's a lot of aromatics what I'm picking up. Good amount of fruits as well. I'm gonna do this one right here. One more. I like to spray my shit up. Let's dive in. Let's see how this one's coming out. In the air, I do like it. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, this one is synthetic. I really don't get too much. I know I be diving into a lot of the topic, but I don't really get too much of that synthetic smell in most of them. This one I am getting the synthetic citrus up top, so give it a little second before you just go straight to it. Now off rip, I am getting a good amount of citruses up top and a slight orange take that's going with it as well. This fragrance is extremely fresh up top, man. I'm telling you, bro. This is kind of reminding me of Strap Boisé in a way. Not saying that this is a clone, but that is one of the first things that kind of came to my mind as I'm sitting here smelling this. A good amount of citruses, a good amount of mandarin orange. It does have a slight amber feel about it, so you can pick up that amber accord as well in this. And it does have a spiciness to it, but it's not overly spicy. It's still more dominant in those citruses and in that amber than it is the actual spices that you are picking up. It is spices in there, but you can pick up cinnamon as well. Like that cinnamon is definitely separating itself compared to the other spices that's in here. I'm not getting anything rough. I'm just getting a very well-rounded citrus accord, mixed it together with that amber. A nice bit of spice up in here as well, but again, it's coming off more so like cinnamon than anything else. And you can pick up a faint vanilla accord. It's not much, but you can tell that a slight sweetness is there mixed in together with the fragrance. This is nice. I do like this. Now, I can't say that this is absolutely necessary because of the fragrances that we've already reviewed up until this point. But for a $20 fragrance, bro, this is nice. This is one that you can wear in a lot of situations. Daytime for sure. You can even pull this off at nighttime, especially if that vanilla starts to come out a little bit more. This will be a great gym scent, also a great casual scent at the same time. Let's switch it up and let's dive into Lux and let's see how this one's coming off. Now, this one I heard some good things about. I want to wait before I actually tell y'all what I heard. This one's going to be coming out fast, but same presentation. The only main difference is that this one's more navy compared to the other one. It is silver, so Lux. Silver, of course, is going to be different. But let's go ahead and try this one up. I'm gonna spray this one straight in the air. This one smells familiar. This one smells familiar. Okay, hold on. Let me see real quick. I like this one too, man. Lux is nice. For $20 fragrances, both of these are extremely nice, man. I do like this one a lot. Let's dive into this one real quick. Let's see how Lux is. I like it in the air for sure. Okay, now check this out. I'm gonna let y'all know what I pick up first, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think is in that same ballpark as this one. Now, okay, up top, there's a lot that you get on this one. The first thing you do pick up is the nice fruity mix. Now you can tell that there's a little bit of pineapple in there because it does have that pineapple sweetness going with it. But at the same time, this fragrance has an extremely nice green side about it, like a very nice herbal take to it. Nice bit of aromatic, so I am getting a little bit of lavender as well, but the lavender isn't like the main player. It is a supporting note, but it's not the main player. One of the main things is going to be those fruits that you get, that pineapple. It does have a nice spice, so you are getting that pink pepper spice as well. And it does have like that juniper side to it. Not the juniper berries, but it does have like a nice juniper balsamic part that's going along with it. And again, a nice touch of spice. This has that pink pepper spice, the pineapple sweetness up top. I like this one now. I'm telling you now, off rip, fam. Hold on. Off rip, I am liking Riad Silver more on initial first impression. That's just me. But one of the things that this Riad Lux is reminding me of, Riad Lux is in a way reminding me of Dolce & Gabbana K. Now, not the EDP, but it is reminding me of the EDT. Now, personally, I enjoyed the EDP more than the EDT, hence why I have it. But this one smells like a nice take on the EDT. I think it has a little bit more of those aromatics working for it in the Lux, so that lavender note is definitely, I'm telling you, that lavender note is there, but you do have that beautiful green side as well. Those herbal notes that it is giving off is adding a different take to that fragrance. It's still in the same ballpark, but it's doing something a little bit different compared to Dolce & Gabbana K EDT. And as I'm letting it sit here for a while, I am able to pick up that sage as well. So off top on this one, a nice juicy pineapple, a little bit more of a fruitier chord that's going along with it, a nice pink pepper spice, a good dosage of the aromatics thanks to the lavender, the sage, and even that juniper. Like, this is a beautiful fragrance, man. I like this one too. I'm still thinking I'm gonna rock with Riad Silver for sure. I'm rocking with Riad Silver off rip. Riad Silver has that good, beautiful spices with it, but it has mostly citruses that's gonna be up top. You can get that mandarin orange still, but the regular like bowl of citruses is pretty much what I'm gonna say on this one. A good dosage of spice. And then it even has like, as you let Riad Silver sit there for a little while, you can pick up that clove that's coming out, giving it a nice herbal take as well, adding to the spice that you're already getting thanks from the cinnamon. I like Riad Silver and I like Riad Lux. Both of these are hits for me again, especially for under $20 fragrances. I can see a lot of usage for both of these, but that does not mean that y'all have to have both of them. Now, if you were looking something that's more along that lines of like a Dolce & Gabbana K EDT, then yeah, you can go with Riad Lux, and that'll be somewhat in that ballpark. Well, Riad Silver is coming off something that's gonna be in that like Cedrat Boisé ballpark. Again, this is not a clone of Cedrat, so don't think that. I'm not saying that at all. But if I had to point to a fragrance that's similar in the same ballpark, it's gonna be that one. As I'm letting Riad Silver sit here for a little bit, as it's starting to transition, that transition is really reminding me of Kayed Al Farsan, especially as you start to hit that mid and dry down of Kayed Al Farsan. That's where this one is reminding me a lot of that. Those citruses and that amber note mixing together along with that mandarin orange, the way it's drying down, it is drying down to like a pineapple, amber, spicy type of mix, which is similar to what you get in Kayed Al Farsan. It just doesn't have as much pineapple that Kayed Al Farsan has. And then Riad Lux is just an extremely fresh take on what you would normally get in Dolce & Gabbana K EDT. I like both of these, man. I like both of these. I will have a gas of trash
Come on, man.
I will have a gas or pass coming on both of these, but personally I do think the Riad Silver will be the one that most people will rock with, especially because of that Kayed Al Farsan type of DNA as it starts to dry down. Whereas in the opening, you are going to get somewhat of a Cedrat Boisé type of opening. Oh yeah, I'm rocking both of these, man. Hey, winner, chicken fucking dinner. Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section. These are old, so I know a couple of y'all already had this. Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section. How does it come off to you? And is this a fragrance that if you already have it, would you buy it again? Let us know down in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. B4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.